The most common thing people do wrong is setting the wrong seat height for themselves here. There's a lever here, you squeeze it and it will help it go down. If you just want to move it up, you can just ratchet it up. So easiest way to find your seat height on this is lift your leg, hand into the crease, stand on the floor, lift it up until it's level with that. Then when you're on here, again, the ball of your foot's on there. So when you're pressing through here and you're cycling, you can push out your leg, but you're not going to lock them in. On here, you've got again all these heart rate monitor straps. So when you're on here, you can relax in whichever position you feel comfortable, yeah, and you'll still be able to read your heart rate. If you want to adjust the seat a little bit, you can just stand up and do that, and then you go, yep, I can get a little bit extra out of it. You may not be able to do that when you want to go down though, yeah? So make sure this is nice and sturdy.